Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You already have the hardware. Now start connecting. First, place the Kinect sensor on a stable shelf or mount about 2.5 ft above the floor, centered with your TV. Once done, plug the sensor's cable into the Xbox 360 USB port. If your model lacks the auxiliary port, connect the Kinect power/USB adapter to mains and then to the sensor. Make sure the console is off while you connect. After physical connections, power on the Xbox to proceed with setup. Once the console boots, you'll often see a prompt to update, except so Kinect firmware matches the console. This fixes many tracking issues. Next, go to Settings, select Kinect and Devices, and run the Kinect tuner to calibrate audio and motion. While it runs, stand in your intended play area and follow voice prompts. If the sensor can't see you, adjust tilt using the small button or manually reposition the sensor. Make sure lighting is even and reflective surfaces are minimized for accurate skeleton tracking. You're almost done. Test the setup by launching a Kinect-enabled app or the tuner again and perform gestures and voice commands. You should see immediate response. Make sure the Kinect LED shows green. If amber or off, that indicates power or connection issues, so power down and reseat the USB and power adapter. If tracking is jittery, move furniture, reduce glare, and increase distance. If problems persist, restart the console, reinstall updates, or try another USB port to isolate the fault.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.